Hi everyone. Today we are going to understand the basic concept of workforce diversity, and further we are also going to understand its various dimensions. Now let us first understand the basic meaning of workforce diversity. See, we all know that in an organization there are people from various backgrounds, like they have different cultures, they may have different educational backgrounds, okay, the society from which they come from, also what all the different genders and all. So an organization is basically made up of people who are from various backgrounds, okay, and when all these people are working together to accomplish the organizational goals, it is simply called the workforce diversity, right? So workforce diversity is basically a combination of the various people who are coming from various backgrounds so as to work in a similar organization to accomplish organizational goals. Now let us understand the importance of workforce diversity. See, it is very helpful in gaining competitive advantage. Why so? Because here every person is having a unique quality. We all know that every person has unique quality, but within this also, when we have persons from various countries, various religions, so it's actually an extra boost, which is giving us an extra boost. So it is creating a pool of talent, okay? So imagine how talented or how much helpful it is, right? So it is very helpful in gaining competitive advantage, and it also helps in maximizing productivity. Yes, very right. When people will be from various backgrounds, okay, they will be having unique abilities, then they will also be able to offer unique suggestions, okay, then this will automatically enhance or increase the productivity of our organization, right? Then also it increases unanimity, that is when people are from various backgrounds, okay, and they are developing a habit of working together, okay, because eventually they have to work together, so they become united eventually and therefore take decisions unanimously, okay, in a team. The other one is improved decision making. Very right. It is so because different people have different perspectives, okay, and on various issues and concerns, and thereby wisdom enhances and decision making ability to. Very right. Okay. Now let us understand the various dimensions of workforce diversity. See, the first one is the internal dimension. It includes the age, gender, personality of an individual. It is something that is very much that the person has got from within, okay, which he has imbibed basically. Then external dimensions like religion, race, income, ethnicity of an individual, something that the society has given to him or her, okay, that is which is usually visible to others through lifestyle of cultural practices, right? Now, what did we understand today? We basically talked about the concept of workforce diversity. So, what is workforce diversity? When people from various backgrounds, it can be like different cultures, different countries, different educational backgrounds, religions, genders, they all come together, okay, in an organization. Then, basically, workforce diversity is created, that is people are working to achieve the goal of a similar organization. They are working under a same roof to achieve the goals of the organization. So what is the importance? We discussed about the importance of workforce diversity. Basically it helps in gaining competitive advantage. How? Because if people are from various countries, various religions, what will happen? They will be putting their unique viewpoints in front of the management, okay, and each viewpoint, okay, each advice will be considered or analyzed by the management and proper strategies will be made accordingly, okay, then it will help in gaining competitive advantage. Okay, then it also helps in maximizing productivity. Why? Very right. Yes, because people will give unique suggestions on how to improve productivity, and these ideas will be combined, and the best technique or a method will be chosen to help in maximizing the productivity. Then we further talked about increasing unanimity. Yes, when people are working, okay, from different cultures and countries, okay, then they will obviously eventually form the habit of working together, and then they will become united, and they will take decisions unanimously eventually, okay, because they know that they have to work under the same roof, okay, they have to work towards achieving the organizational goals, and then that they can do only when they work unanimously, right? Then it also improves decision making ability, very right, because when people give different perspectives on various issues, then their wisdom enhances, they become more wiser, and decision making ability of the people also enhances, augments, right? Then we further talked about the various dimensions of workforce diversity. The first one was internal dimension. Internal dimension basically includes the age, the gender, the personality, the motivational level which comes under personality, okay? Then the all the factors of personality. These are very much where the person has got from within, okay? Then we further talked about the external dimensions of workforce diversity, like the income, religion, race, ethnicity of an individual. They are something which are usually visible to others. Even however they are visible, a person can show his or her income by let's say purchasing a luxurious car, okay, then the other people automatically come to know that that person has having a good income, and then he or she can also show it by the other things, also following various cultural practices, okay, whatever their culture has, right? So workforce diversity is all in all very important for an organization to be able to grow, because when people from different cultures are working together, what happens is that various suggestions, various unique ideas are formed, okay, because they have the experiences of, let's say, their own country, how things happen in their country, or they have experience of whatever they have experienced throughout their lives, okay, there then what education, which all colleges they have attended, the education from those prestigious universities of the world. Because when these all ideas meet under one roof, then basically the organization grows, and this is nowadays organizations are focusing very much on workforce diversity, because it is something that is playing a very that is a predominant role in the growth of the organization, right? So workforce diversity is something which is very important in order in order to help the organization efficiently and effectively achieve its goal, right? Now let us practice some important questions regarding this. Gender of a person comes under which dimension of workforce diversity? See, internal, external, individual, none of the above. We discussed that internal dimension talks about all the things that a person has got from within, okay, like gender, like age, personality, motivational levels, perception, attitude, values. They are all from within, that is, they are very much in the individual. So the correct answer would be option A for this question, right? The other question is workforce diversity is a combination of, see, workforce diversity as discussed is a combination of cultures of different people, very much, right? Because people from different cultures are working under a same roof. Countries, no. People from different countries, yes, but not countries, okay? It is not a combination of the countries. It is a combination of people from various countries. And policies not at all then. The correct answer for this is only option C, cultures of different people, right? So this was all for today. Thank you so much for your time.